Do you have a favorite Yiddish word that you'd like to share with us?
Oh my gosh, I had one. Oh, hold on. Give me a second, because like oh, no, it's like a phrase, and it's, oh gosh, I'm thinking in Turkish right now. Okay. Oh, I love saying Nishta Zoyayayay. It's so much fun to say. Like, I mean, and like, yes, it's like fun, but like I have like words in Spanish like bafunda is like Spanish for scarf, and like I like that word because it's in quisquilloso means persnickety. I only like those words because they're fun to say. So it's not just Yiddish that I like choose my favorite words because they're fun to say. So, but yeah, Nishta Zoyayayay.
And what does that mean?
It's like I am like things are not so good right now.